Hello everyone, welcome to this course on Economics of Innovation. Innovation as a concept appears amongst the various fields of economics, whether it is industrial organization, international economics or development economics. In industrial organization, we question why firms conduct research and development, why do they engage in R&D races and also the patent races. Having understood that firms engage in research and development, we realize that this kind of a competitiveness that they built essentially translates into their exporting behavior. At an international level, for the different countries, it will imply that the patterns of trade will change over a period of a time. Thus, it becomes very important for a trade theorist to understand what are the institutions which also support this kind of a change in the innovation behavior. One of the most studied institution in that context is that of intellectual property rights. Further, the competitiveness that is built at an industry level now translates into economic growth. And that is the focus of the development economist, starting from the works of Solow in 1957, whereby we understand the role of the residual or the so-called total factor productivity and its contribution to the output growth. What motivates this particular course, whereby we try to bring these different factors together. Schumpeter has highlighted that the capitalist realities are very different from price competition, and in fact, innovation is at the heart of the competition among firms. The competing activities that undertake place can include introducing novel products, configuring better ways of doing business, and identifying unexplored market that effectively lead to an industrial mutation and a process which lead to a change of economic structures from within. So what starts as an entrepreneurial activity lead to a major overhaul in the way an economy functions. This is essentially the key motivation for me to put together this course, which is divided into three major parts. In the first part, we ask what is innovation, how innovation is seen in the history of economic thought. We will also have an elaborate discussion on different types of innovation, for instance, drastic and non-drastic, disruptive, user-based, frugal and inclusive innovation. Moving forward, we will try and understand technological innovation and the theory of firm, whereby we will look at innovation models. What do you mean by an innovative firm? And also, what is the role of firm size and market competition in determining innovation by the firm? As a case study, we will look at the Indian firms and their innovation activities, particularly after the independence. The second part is motivated from this systems approach to innovation. We will understand what that approach is, and then we will look at the various institutions which helps in creating an appropriate ecosystem for innovation. For instance, we will talk about IPRs, we will talk about the university research, the role of multinational corporations, what do you mean by market for technologies, and what are the issues related to technology transfer within. Lastly, we will also talk about how financial institutions can support research and development. The last part is essentially about the impact of the innovation that we will understood in the context of economic development and employment. Apart from that, we will also see that in order for the complete effect of innovation to be realized, it needs to be diffused in the economy. So we will understand the diffusion of technology and also what do you mean by innovation in service sector. The last topic, that is on science, technology and innovation policy, will highlight the government intervention, the different types of instruments that are available and what has been going on in India with respect to science, technology and innovation policy. Thank you.